Meow. Meow.
Meow.
Dad came home.
Dad came home.
What's inside?
What's inside?
Open the basket.
Open it up.
2 little ears.
2 little eyes.
Curious.
Curious.
Stubborn.
Stubborn.
Mischievous too.
2.
Playful.
Playful.
Confident.
Confident.
What do you do? His name is Biscuit.
His name is Biscuit.
Orange and fluffy with a white patch too.
Biscuit the cat, he belongs to you.
M says stubborn.
He won't move.
Emma says gentle.
Soft and smooth.
Mom says unpredictable.
You never know.
Dad says brave.
Watch him go.
He sits on the ball.
Meow.
He steals the cookie.
Meow.
He walks on Kim's face.
Meow.
He ignores everybody. Say curious.
Curious, he wants to know.
Say stubborn.
Stubborn, he won't go.
Say gentle.
Gentle, nice and slow.
Say biscuit.
Biscuit, we love you so.
Curious.
Curious,
Stubborn.
stubborn.
Mischievous too.
2.
Playful.
Playful.
Confident.
Confident.
What do you do? His name is Biscuit.
His name is Biscuit. Orange and fluffy with a white patch too.
Biscuit the cat.
He belongs to you.
Biscuit.
Biscuit, Biscuit,
Our little cat.
little cat.
Biscuit.
Biscuit, Biscuit,
We love you that.
love you that.
Meow.
Meow.
See you next time. Great.